We're going to practice the three most important scales for guitarists: the major scale, the minor scale, and the pentatonic scale. This video is purely a practice video so you can drill these scales out. We're going to go through each one at half speed, then full speed, so you can get the hang of it first. We'll repeat each scale up the fretboard. We'll also have the tabs on screen as we go. Feel free to use a plectrum, I use my fingers, but do what's best for you. So let's start with the major scale at half speed. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, so hopefully you've got the hang of that. That was the major scale at half speed. Now we're going to do it at full speed, so double that speed. Feel free to go back, practice it a few times before moving on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, so that's our major scale practice complete. Potentially the most important scale in all of music. Now we're going to move on to the minor scale, the second most important scale, at half speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. Now we're going to do the same again, the minor scale at full speed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. Now moving on to our third and final scale, the pentatonic scale, position 1. We're going to go through it at half speed. I'm going to put it on screen so you can see the shape right now. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now the same again at full speed, the rest of the way up the fret. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work, guys. Those are the 3 most important scales for the guitar. Drill these down and get ahead.